In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Drive storage full problem. By the end, you'll have cleared space across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos, and use Google Storage Manager to quickly remove large items so your account has room again. First, delete large files in Google Drive. Open Google Drive. On the left, click Storage. Here you'll see your files sorted by size. If they aren't, switch the view to sort by the largest files at the top. Scroll through and select any files you no longer need, like old videos, archives, or large documents. Right-click and click Remove or use the Delete icon. If a confirmation appears, confirm the deletion. Don't worry, these go to the trash first, so you can still change your mind before you empty it. Next, empty the trash to actually free up space in Google Drive. As on the left side, click Trash or Bin. At the top, click Empty Trash, then Confirm. This step is permanent and cannot be undone, so take a quick moment to review what's inside before you empty it. Once that's done, your Google Drive storage should start updating. It can take a few minutes for the new space to show. Now, clean up Google Photos and Gmail because they also count toward your Google storage. Let's start with Gmail. Open Gmail and look for large emails, especially ones with big attachments. Use the search filters to find larger messages, then select and delete emails you no longer need. Focus on newsletters with attachments, old project files, or media-heavy threads you've already backed up elsewhere. Deleting these emails reduces the space Gmail uses. Then remove unused photos and videos in Google Photos. Open Google Photos and review your library. Select photos and videos you don't need anymore, like duplicates, long videos, or screenshots you've already saved. Click Delete to move them to the bin. If you use Google Photos across devices, remember that deleting here removes them from your account everywhere. This helps reclaim space used by high-resolution media. At this point, use Google Storage Manager to free up space fast. Go to https://one.google.com/storage in your browser and sign into the same Google account. This page shows how your storage is used across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Click through the sections to review and delete big files. Open the large files list and remove items you don't need. You can also review large attachments in Gmail and big media and photos from here. Select files. Confirm the deletions and let the page update. This central view makes it easy to find what's taking up space and remove it efficiently. Once that's done, return to Google Drive's storage page to see the updated total. If the number hasn't changed yet, give it a moment. Storage calculations can take a short time to refresh after large deletions. You've now deleted large files in Google Drive, emptied the trash, cleaned up space in Gmail and Google Photos, and used the Google One Storage Manager to quickly remove big items. Your Google Drive storage full problem should be resolved, and your account has free space available again. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.